What's going on, everybody? It's Skizamanops, and as you can tell, I'm in a different bedroom. And why that is? Well, let me tell you, is because I basically built this place. I didn't build the entire place that I'm in, but I basically put the sheetrock up and the insulation and all that. Let me show you exactly what I done did. And I'll explain to you guys what I've been doing, what's been taking so damn long, why I haven't been uploading, why I haven't been doing very many live streams. So as you can see here, I did a video on this last year sometime, but the video that I did wasn't very good, and I watched that the other day, and oh my god, I've done so much more improvements to this place than I thought. So what I had done is I had put new walls basically right here, and new sheetrock, all that stuff up here, new sheetrock on the walls. I built a wall right here so I could have this bedroom. And this is just a temporary door. This isn't something that's going to be here forever. This is something that's going to just temporary, just so I can block off the cold so I can sleep in there. Anyway, that's basically what I've been doing for the past 6 months or longer. I mean, I've been working on this every single day for the past 6 months because if I had the money to buy all the materials, obviously, this would have been done a long time ago. But I got to spend I only get paid a certain amount of money, and I only get paid every 2 weeks. So, you know, once the money goes dry, I got to stop and wait until I get paid again before I could do any more stuff in here. Anyway, so what I had done since the last time I did a video on this a year ago, and this isn't even being close to being finished. Like, this is still in the middle of redoing this, not even done yet. But what I had done is I bought a door, put the door in, and I also, let me open the door, put the staircase down. If you can see that, I put the staircase in here so we can get in and out of this place, because the only way that you were able to get in and out of this place before was right here. See, right here is a hatch that goes up underneath the main garage. Of course, I got it blocked off right now temporarily, because of the cold. I don't want the cold coming up here and getting up in here, you know, because it's fucking cold. Anyway, as you can see here, I don't have all the materials yet. I don't have the piece of sheetrock to go up over that insulation just yet. Next week, when I get paid, I'm going to buy all of the sheetrock. Well, not all of it, but most of it that I need to cap. Well, this is all going to be capped next week. This is all going to be fixed. But yeah, man, that's pretty much what I've been doing. And then I'm going to put a new window in here, but the windows are like $250 to $300. They're super expensive. So that's going to have to wait temporarily till I get the money to do it. Obviously, this whole area right here, as I mentioned before, is going to be a bathroom area. I'm going to put a wall up here, and there's going to be a doorway somewhere up in here somewhere. But it's not going to be your typical bathroom because it's not really going to have a toilet. I'm not really going to have a shower, but in this area is where there's going to be the bathroom area is going to be. In order for me to put a toilet and a shower up in here, I'm going to have to do so much more work, and I don't think I want to actually put forth the effort to actually do that, because that's a lot of money and a lot of labor and just in general a headache that I don't want to have. So I'm not really going to do that. Plus, I have the main bathroom in the main house. It's not that far. It's literally right over there. I can just walk down there, use the bathroom, take the shower, come back up here, and be good to go. So right here is my little kitchen area. As you can tell, I got my jug of water. I don't have no running water up here, just that. And then my little toaster oven, my kitchen light, basically, and my little burner, I guess, heater, burner, whatever. I don't really use that much. I only use that to make my tea. I don't really drink coffee no more. But yeah, that's pretty much what I've been doing. That's what's been happening. And in this room is where I'm going to be doing most of my live streams. I'm going to start doing live streams, hopefully, every single day from here on out. Because now that I have the ability to stay in here, I don't have to worry about being quiet. I don't have to worry about any bullshit. I don't have to worry about nothing. I can just get in here, do my streams. I can be as loud as I want, scream as much as I want. It's going to be great. Also, I don't really have the Ethernet wire hooked up to I'm running all my devices off of Wi-Fi. And I've never really live streamed off of a Wi-Fi connection, so I'm gonna try a live stream here in a few hours, or here in about an hour, and I'm gonna see if it works on the Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi is really good; the connection is excellent, but I never did it before on Wi-Fi, so I don't know how the stream quality is gonna be. Anyway, I've been kind of talking, but that's pretty much the video I wanted to do. I haven't uploaded any videos on my channel in a really long time, so I figured I'd do a little video, tell you guys what I've been doing, do a little update, and that's basically it. So I'll see you later.